The art of crafting flavorful gluten-free meals. For many, embarking on a gluten-free journey might feel daunting at first. But the truth is, gluten-free doesn't mean flavor-free. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can prepare meals that are not only safe for those avoiding gluten, but are also bursting with taste and variety. Let's dive into how you can create mouth-watering gluten-free dishes that leave everyone asking for seconds. 1. Start with fresh ingredients. The key to a flavorful gluten-free meal lies in using fresh, whole ingredients. Think vibrant vegetables, juicy fruits, high-quality proteins, and naturally gluten-free grains like rice, quinoa, or millet. Fresh herbs and spices elevate dishes, providing layers of flavor without relying on processed seasonings that might contain hidden gluten. For example, a fresh garden salad topped with grilled chicken, avocado, and a tangy lemon vinaigrette is both wholesome and delicious. 2. Experiment with gluten-free grains. Many traditional recipes rely on wheat-based products, but gluten-free grains are here to save the day. Quinoa, buckwheat, despite its name, it's gluten-free, and cornmeal are versatile options for creating everything from salads to hearty porridges. Try this: a warm quinoa bowl with sautéed spinach, roasted sweet potatoes, and a drizzle of tahini sauce can be a comforting meal on a chilly evening. 3. Rethink your baking game. Baking without gluten might seem tricky at first, but with the right mix of gluten-free flours, you can create baked goods that rival their traditional counterparts. Almond flour, coconut flour, and tapioca starch are excellent bases. To bind these flours together, xanthan gum or psyllium husk is often used as a substitute for gluten. A batch of gluten-free chocolate chip cookies made with almond flour and coconut sugar can satisfy any sweet tooth. 4. Bold flavors through spices and sauces. Gluten-free meals thrive on bold seasonings. Use spices like turmeric, smoked paprika, and cumin to add depth to your dishes. Sauces, marinades, and dressings made from scratch are not only more flavorful, but ensure there's no hidden gluten. Soy sauce, for example, often contains gluten, but tamari is a safe alternative. Imagine grilled salmon glazed with a tamari honey sauce, paired with steamed broccoli and fluffy rice. 5. Explore international cuisines. Many global cuisines naturally lend themselves to gluten-free cooking. Mexican dishes featuring corn tortillas, Indian curries paired with basmati rice, or Thai stir-fries served with rice noodles are flavorful and gluten-free options. Prepare a vibrant Thai green curry loaded with vegetables, tofu, and creamy coconut milk for a flavorful dinner. 6. Sweet endings with gluten-free desserts. End your meals on a sweet note with desserts that highlight natural flavors. Fresh fruit parfaits, flourless chocolate cakes, or gluten-free pies made with nut-based crusts are all excellent choices. For a treat, bake a flourless almond cake topped with fresh berries and a dollop of whipped cream. Final thoughts. Preparing gluten-free meals is a celebration of flavors and creativity. While avoiding gluten can seem restrictive, it's an opportunity to explore new ingredients, techniques, and cuisines. By focusing on fresh, flavorful components and embracing a spirit of experimentation, you'll discover that gluten-free meals can be as delicious and varied as any other. So grab your apron and get ready to transform your kitchen into a haven of gluten-free goodness.